Hello children, today we are going to start exercise 7.1 and question is, using the unitary method, find the simple interest for 1 year on. Children, आपको unitary method से आपको simple interest for 1 year find out करना है. And the first part is ₹1000 at 8%. 1000 rupees का 8% आपको interest find out करना है for 1 year. So first of all, we will find interest on ₹100, then on ₹1, then on ₹1000. So let's do. Interest on ₹100 for 1 year is 8%. Interest on ₹1 for 1 year is 8 upon 100. Therefore, interest on ₹1000 for 1 year is 8 upon 100 into ₹1000. When we cancel, we get ₹80. Therefore, the simple interest on ₹1000 is ₹80. Second is ₹640 at 5%. Children, you have to find simple interest on ₹640 at 5% for 1 year. So first of all, we will find interest on ₹100, then on ₹1, then ₹540. So let's do. Interest on ₹100 for 1 year is 5%. Interest on ₹1 for 1 year is 5 upon 100. Interest on ₹540 for 1 year is 5 upon 100 into ₹640. When we cancel, we get ₹32. Therefore, the simple interest on ₹640 is ₹32. In the same way, you will do all parts. Question B is, using the unitary method, find the simple interest on ₹1000 for 4 years at 7% per annum. Here, per annum means per year. So children, you have to find simple interest on ₹1000 for 4 years at 7% per year. Children, you have to find simple interest for 4 years. 4 years का simple interest find out करेंगे. First of all, you will find simple interest for 1 year. Then you will find simple interest for 4 years using the unitary method. Now let's do. Interest on ₹100 for 1 year is 7%. Interest on ₹1 for 1 year is 7 upon 100. Interest on ₹1000 for 1 year is 7 upon 100 into ₹1000. When we cancel, we get ₹70. Therefore, interest on ₹1000 for 1 year is ₹70 and interest on ₹1000 for 4 years will be ₹70 into 4 equal to 280. Therefore, the simple interest on ₹1000 for 4 years is ₹280. Second is ₹800 for 3 years at 8% per annum. Children, you have to find simple interest on ₹800 for 3 years at 8% per year. First of all, you will find simple interest for 1 year, then you will find simple interest for 3 years. Let's do. Interest on ₹100 for 1 year is 8%. Interest on ₹1 for 1 year is 8 upon 100. Interest on ₹800 for 1 year is 8 upon 100 into ₹100, that comes to ₹64. Interest on ₹800 for 1 year is ₹64. Therefore, the interest on ₹800 for 3 years will be ₹64 into 3, that comes to ₹192. Therefore, the simple interest on ₹800 for 3 years is ₹192. In the same way, you will do all parts. Question C is, find the simple interest by using the formula. Children, you have to use the formula to find out simple interest. The first one is, principal is given as ₹6400, rate is given as 8% and the time is given as 2 years. The formula to calculate simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. Where P is principal, R is rate, T is time. As rate is given in percent, so we'll remove sign of percentage and write down 100 as denominator. So the formula is P into R into T upon 100. Now principal is ₹6400, rate is 8%, time is 2 years. So we will write ₹6400 into 8 into 2 upon 100. When we cancel, we get ₹1024. Therefore, the simple interest is ₹1024. Second is, principal is ₹9200, rate is 6%, time is 3 years. Using the formula, we will find simple interest. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So here P is rupees 9200, R is 6% and time is 3 years. So 9200 into 6 into 3 upon 100. When we cancel, we get rupees 1656. Therefore, the simple interest is rupees 1656. Fourth is principal equal to rupees 10,000 rupees. Rate is 4 whole 1 by 2%. Time is 2 years. So rate will be converted in improper fraction that comes to 9 upon 2%. So using the formula, we will find simple interest. Simple interest equal to P into R into T upon 100. P is rupees 10,000. R is 9 upon 2%. Remove percentage sign, write down 100. And T is 2 years. So 10,000 into 9 into 2 upon 100 into 2. When we cancel all this, we get rupees 900. Therefore, the simple interest is rupees 900. I hope all questions are clear to you now. To keep yourself safe during pandemic, it is important to wear mask, wash hands regularly, maintain social distancing. I hope you will follow all these points to remain safe and healthy. That's all for today. Bye-bye.